Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, everybody come listen Harikatha. What are you doing?
Todos venham ouvir o Harikatha.
Everybody come Harikatha. Huh? So can't to listen? Can you direct listen English? So can go back, as you can understand English, can come from. Then simultaneously you can come.
Radio.
Radio.
Yes, my radio, their radio.
Everybody has radio.
Everybody has rádio. Everybody has mobile.
Quem não tem rádio então?
Who has mobile?
Quem tem celular aí com rádio? Precisa ouvir inglês.
Quem está sem tradução no rádio? Quem não tem acesso ao rádio? 1, 2, 3.
Se quiser pode usar meu celular no seu telefone.
É só acessar o rádio FM, todo Android tem rádio FM, estação 100.
Rádio
Quem
FM,
tem iPhone
estação
não tem.
100.
Só quem tem Android mesmo, mas o iPhone, aí tenta talvez compartilhar com quem tenha. Ou então acessar perto, ou então ouvir.
Não.
Vai, Facebook vai. Oi?
Algum celular eu acho.
No Facebook também vai estar.
Também vai estar no Facebook também. Eu tenho rádio 100, 100.0.
Ou no Facebook, Ana Madura Brasil.
Okay. First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances to the lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad, Ashtutara Satyamad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees, all Vaishnavis and present of my respectful guests.
Ação da rádio é 100.
There are two kinds of lila of Krishna. Krishna, two kinds of lila.
Brasileiro aqui!
Sajan Poshan Lila. What did I say?
Sajan Poshan Lila.
Sajan Poshan Lila. Sajan Poshan means, Lord, He nourishment. And His own favorable person. That is called Sajan Poshan. Or another is called Asur Mohan Lila. Asur Mohan. And he illuminate what is called.
Deludes delusion.
Huh?
Deludes
Delusion.
Mohan, delusion.
Delusion. In the heart of the demonic people. As like when nectar, Amrit, coming from the ocean, then demigod and demon, they also eager to take that thing. Then Lord Vishnu manifests in the form of Mahini Sarup. Mahini Rup, nice. Lord Vishnu himself manifested from a very nice, beautiful young girl. Very nice, beautiful, long eyes, nose, hands, legs, everybody, very beautiful actress. Depict the beauty of Miss Universe. Then, when Asura saw this Lord Mohini Sarup, then they already forget to drink the nectar. They want to take nectar of the beauty of Mohini. Is it true or wrong? But they want to also drink the nectar. Then Lord told them, okay, I will give to you both. Mohini Devi, she told, I will feed you nectar. But sit two rows. One row, Devatas, demigod will sit, and another row, Asura can sit. Understand? Then Mohini Devi, she told, listen, Devatas, they are your elder brother, or you are younger brother. So I have to first give this nectar to Devatas because they are elder brother. Then I will give you to you. Then Asuras and Devatas, they also agreed. Yes, good. Actual Lord, He gave this nectar to demigod. And finally He also Vanchit, deprived. With that, they had the asuras. He did not give. But two asuras, they also thinking maybe I will not get. It is better I will sit at the sun and moon. In the middle they sit. That is called Rahu and Ketu. That lila is going on. Then Lord also gave them that time moon and sun, they indicate to Lord Mohini, oh, they are not belongs to Devatas. But Lord already gave to the little bit nectar. Then Lord, he cut their head with the Sudarshan Chakra. Understand? Then the two pieces, body two pieces. Then become very angry and because sun and moon, they indicate for this God they want to serve. But is already their neck also here cut and entering the mouth and coming out. That is called the
Eclipse.
Grahan. One is called which Grahan?
Lunar eclipse.
Lunar eclipse, another is called solar eclipse. Now coming also, no? This time coming. Which? Which eclipse coming? I think solar eclipse coming, no? This time? You can see that? Surya Grahan is coming. You will check Panjika. In this way, Lord, he also cheat the demons. But he gave them nectar to demigods. So in the same way, Lord, two kinds of lila. Another is called Sajan Pasan lila, another is called Asur Mohan lila. In the same way, Guru Vaishnava are the same lila. Because Krishna jate gun bhakti sangha sanchari. All the qualifications of Krishna reflected in the heart of pure devotee, Buddha. But four gunas, Krishna's four qualities not reflected to anyone. What is that? Who knows? Rupa Madhurja, Prema Madhurja, Lila Madhurja or Venu Madhurja. The four sweetness mood not going to anywhere. There is Krishna's own and property. And other thing can reflect. So now coming this way, in the same way, Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan, all their activities called two ways. One is called Asur Mohan Lila, another called Sajan Pasan Lila. Just I also told to this Katha, morning walk Katha. You did not say, so I again remind to you. So, one Gurudev, he went to the ocean and some devotee they hired one boat. Not big boat, small boat. When Gurudev he was staying in Hawaii. Hawaii, understand? In the island. You went there? America, yes. Never been.
Never been to America.
Never been to America. Okay, come with me. So Gurudev, early in the morning, Gurudev went in the ocean with one very nice, beautiful boat. And maybe 10 or 15 devotees there, I think so there. And Gurudev, after boat, what is it called? Right. Then he returned back. One sannyasi, I will not take the name of the sannyasi. He gave class, morning class. In morning class, he discussed about Suddha Bhakti. Anna Vilasita Sunnam Jnana Karma Dana Britam Anukulena Krishnanu Silanam Bhakti Dharma Uttama. He explained about Anna Vilasita Sunnam. Then very nicely explained everybody, those who are sitting in front of him, spoke very nicely. Then his katha he also told how possible Gurudev is Suddha Bhakta. He used this word. Because he is going to ocean to see the fish. Because Gurudev morning, that time that Gurudev went to the ocean to see the fish. So that is the order. That means Gurudev is not free from Annavilas. Annavilas. Okay. Then when Gurudev came and heard this, and Gurudev slapped to him, this to be nonsense, what we are speaking. You compare with me. Do you know? I went to the ocean to see the fish. This is true. But what the fish? When I see the fish, then I remember the sweet pastimes of Matsya Avatar Katha. Pralaya Pradhi Jale Dhita Bhanu Sivedam Vihita Daitra Charitra Makhedam Kesa Badhrita Meena Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Your morning walk and my morning walk, your looking see a fish or my looking fish not same. Gurudev gave very nice explanation. Matsya Avatar Katha. How Krishna himself manifested in the form of the incarnation of fish. Srila Jayadev Goswami Pad in his highest book glorified about 10 incarnation of Kesava. Kesava Dhrita Meena Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Kesava Dhrita Kurma Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Kesava Dhrita Sukara Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Because those are Shuddha. Their vision or conditional soul vision completely what? Different. Kamuka pasanti kaminmai jagat. This is the proverb. Kamuka pasanti kaminmai jagat. Lusty person. He looks everybody also lusty. Because his heart is full of lust. For this regard he looks everybody also lusty, as like me, he is thinking. So Sanskrit word, this proverb explains Kamuka pasanti kaminimai jagat. But those who are pure devotee of Lord, their conception different. One day I told, the Suddha Bhakta, whatever you looking, automatically Krishna Lila manifests in his heart. That time one devotee asked, one pure devotee, if he looks sweet, very nice, beautiful young girl, what Lila will come? Gopis Lila will come. How Gopis, they are beautiful form. Then he asked, if the Suddha Bhakta look very ugly girl, then what Lila will come in his heart? Uttanabad Lila will come, why not? Those who are pure devotee, what you are looking? Everything is related with Krishna. Krishna Lila. You understand these things? This is the thing. Or those who are non-devotee but envious people, even their heart is not neat and clean, full of anarthas. They are looking this. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada gave an example. Your glasses. If your glass is white color, yellow color, So what do you look? Everything is what? Yellow. If your glass red color, what do you see? Everything red. Eh? Eh? This is true or wrong? Eh? When the glass transfer in white to what is called? Black. You know? What is called? This glass is when the sun rays coming. That time also glass also transition glass coming. Understand? Protection of your eyes. This my glass, if you put the sun rays, automatically what? Protection the eyes. So what will you see? Everything will be. So everybody can see but can understand everything according to their own vision. But art. This is your truth. Everybody understand according to their own level. So those who criticize, that time Suddha Bhakta, what is happening? Cheat to them, माने वंचित कर देते, वंचित understand? चलो, are those who are pure, those who are favorable and giving mercy, this is the thing. So Lord two kinds of lila, just explain. One is called Sajan Posan lila, or another is called Asur Mohan lila. Lord lila always chasing in this way. Some lila Krishna lila Maya Bijrivinta lila also. Krishna is doing this. Everybody cannot understand. Maya Bijrivinta lila. How Krishna departed from this material world, Krishna is Bhagavan. That lila is called Maya Bijriminta lila. Many things in there. Other things also I told when you morning walk. What do you think? The Srimati Radhika, I told her now. She is going her house. After meeting of Kunja Bhanga Lila. Then Krishna, he is going to Nandagaon, or Srimati Radhika, she is going to Javat. But when Srimati Radhika, she is going to Javat, but she completely absorbed with Krishna. And she is remembering Krishna is with me. Her eyes just half open. That is called Ardha Unmilitam Netra. Her eyes little bit open. And almost she is sleeping. And she also hold the shoulder of another Sakhi. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari. And she is going. In the meantime, Srimati Radhika's, what is it called? Cloth. Dupatta. Dupatta, understand? Around the neck. That cloth. Stuck in the one throne. Then Srimati Radhika, she is saying, Muncha Muncha. Balo Opi no Janasi. Hey Krishna, you are completely innocent, baby. You have no idea about prema. And now morning, people are coming out from their house. Why you are pulling my cloth? Please, don't pull my cloth. So saying with them, Muncha Muncha mane, don't pull my cloth, meaning give up my cloth. Then in the meantime, Rupa Manjari she told, "Hey Radhe, here is no Krishna." So why, who is pulling my cloth? That time he said that the thorn stuck her cloth. And so in this way, this lila is going on there. And so when you chant holy name, remember in these things. Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave blessing. Ei lila gao or Ei lila smaro or gao Krishna naam achirate Krishna prem pabe premadhan. And when you chant holy names, remember these pastimes, then slowly all your anarthas remove from your heart and attend to Krishna. Tannam rupacharitadi sukrito nanu smrito kramena rasana manosi nijaju tishthan brajit tadanuragi jananugami kalang nayet akilam itta upadesa saram. Rupa Goswami Pad in his nectar of instruction. Tannam rupacharitadi sukrito nanu smrito. When you chant holy names, I will chant holy names. Tannamo rupa guna lila. Tannamo rupa charitadi. Charitadi. Charitadi means all the sweet pastimes of Krishna. The character of Krishna Katha. Tannamo rupa. Rupa means Krishna's beautiful form. Krishna's beautiful name. When you chant holy names and remember Krishna's sweet names, Madhur Naam. जय जय श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन वृंदावन चंद्र जय जय राधा रमन रस बिहारी श्री गोकुलानंद जय जय राधे गोविंद जय 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 राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद जय जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद जय जय श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन वृंदावन चंद्र जय जय श्याम सुंदर जय जय राधा रमन रस बिहारी श्री गोकुलानंद जय जय राधा रमन जय जय रासेश्वरी बीनदिनी भानुकुल चंद्र जय जय रासेश्वरी जय जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद राधे जय जय ललिता विशाखायादि जत सखी वृंद जय जय ललिता विशाखायादि जय जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति मंजरी आनंद जय जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति जय जय पूर्णमासी जोग माया जत वीरा वृंद जय जय पूर्णमासी जोग माया जय जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति मंजरी आनंद जय जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति जय जय पूर्णमासी जोग माया जत वीरा वृंद जय जय पूर्णमासी जोग माया अरे सब मिली कर कृपा आमी अति मन सब मिली कर कृपा हमरा कृपा करी देह जुगल चरणार बिन कृपा करी देह जुगल जय जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद राधे ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे So Rupa Goswami Pad, and in his nectar of instruction, Upadesamritam explained, they have an ordinary sadhak chant the holy name. Tan nama rupa charitadi sukrita nanu smrito. Kramena rasana monosi nijajju. Kramena means step by step. You engage your mind with Krishna Naam and Krishna Katha. Understand? One long bamboo stick. At a time you cannot bend. Possible. What will do? Slowly, slowly. And at the time you will do, that will be what? Broke. Become in two pieces. So in the same way, sadhak, how will absorb in Nam Sankirtan? Tannam Richukadi Sukritan Smito, Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijadyo. Tishtan Braje. Tishtan Braje means you have to stay in Vrindavan. Where you are staying? But your mind have to stay in Vrindavan. Physically, where you will stay, no problem. Now, where are you now? Tajai. Tajai. A nice name. What is a Tajai? Ta means Srimati Radhika. Jai means go. Go to Srimati Radhika. Understand? Ta, Jai. Jai means to go. Ta means Srimati Radhika. Ta, Jai. Go to Srimati Radhika. Brazil, na Brajabasi. Gurudev told. Holland, not Holland. Holy Land. So wherever you go, Ta Jai. Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj explained, Ni Tai. Ni Tai means what? Ne Tai. Ni Tai. Mane name take. Tai mane what I am giving take. Mane Krishna Prem. Nityananda Prabhu he is giving Prema. Ne Tai. Everything depends on your heart. Chalo. Because Tannam Charitādi Sukritan Anusmito Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijati. Tishtan Braje. Always stay in Braj. Tishtan Braje. Tadanuragi Jananugami. Tad Anuragi. One who completely absorbed in the mood of Madhurya Ras. And you will have to follow his footsteps. Tadanuragi. Jana Anugami. Those who are the eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna Janancha Prishta. Those who are very eternal associate of Krishna. Always associate with. Jananugami, Tadanuragi, Jananugami, Kalam Nayat Akilam Itta Upadesa Saram. Rupa Goswami explain these words. This is the essence of all my nectar of instruction. Always remember to Krishna. Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. And engage your mind. Always Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. Always I am saying, come Hari Katha. Wake up early in the morning, chant holy names. You okay? Wake up or not? Try to wake up. Wake up early in the morning. Then chant holy names. Brahma Murta. But Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explains. Brahma Murte Patati Parjatna Jastin Brinda Bananath Saksa Shevaiva Labha Janusa Anta Eva. Srimad Guru Ashtakam Etat Patati Ja Uchchai. Brahma Murte Patati Ja Rajatri Patati Jastina Brinda Bananath Saksa Shevaiva Labha Janusa Anta Eva. Janusa Anta Eva. After giving up this body, 100% guarantee. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, in this verse, he is saying, this life, just this life, you give up this body, then you will attain to Golok Vrindavan and direct serve to Radha and Krishna with your transcendental constitution form Siddha. This is Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. He is giving blessing to us. If you early in the morning wake up just to recite it, Guru Bhasta. What is that? संसारदावा नलनीलोकं प्राणाय कारुण्य घन गणयतं प्रातः कल्याण गुणार्णवस्य वन्दे गुरु श्री चरणारविन्दं महाप्रभुर्गीतनिता बाधितमादान मनसरसेन भूमन्त्रकं पशुतरङ्गभाजो वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दं आराधना नित्यनान सिंगारतन मन्दिरमजनादो युक्तस्य भक्तस्य निजुन्दतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दं चतुर्विधा श्रीभगवत्प्रसाद सद्ब्रह्मतृप्तं हरिभक्तसङ्गं कृपैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैव वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दं यस्य प्रसादात् भगवत्प्रसाद यस्य प्रसादात् भक्तिकरोति जयन्तु अन्तरायसच्चिदानन्दं वन्दे गुरु मुहूर्ते पठति प्रजाज्ञां यस्य न वृन्दावनरत सत्सा शिवैव एव वन्दे गुरो श्रीचरणारविन्दं Why Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad composed this verse? One life just to completely, absolutely surrender Lotus feet of Guru. This is very important. Guru Atma Samarpan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, Prabhu kahe gaya yatra safala amar jadakkan dekhilam charana tomar. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he came in Gaya for the offering his father, Shraddha. Shraddha, understand? Pindadan. Then he met with Ishwar Paripad. Prabhu kahe gayatra safal amar jatakhan dekhilam charanatana. Mahaprabhu cried. And Mahaprabhu told to Ishwar Paripad, my Gaya Jatra now successful. The pilgrimage of Gaya now successful. Why? Just I took darshan, your lotus feet. And Mahaprabhu very humble and told, you give me Diksha mantra. Then Ishwar Paripad gave him Diksha mantra. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told, what? Then what is called? After Diksha you have to give some Dakshin, Guru Dakshin. And without Guru Dakshin, you cannot get the fruits. Understand? Have to give Guru Dakshin. What is the best Guru Dakshin? Guru Dakshin, that is called, listen his Harikatha. Bona fide Guru always be happy if you listen Harikatha from his mouth. He wants to give this thing. This is your Guru Dakshin. Not other thing. What will give? How much money will give to Guru? How much gold to give to Guru? What kinds of cloth will give to Guru? Bona fide Guru says, no, need anything. Just you give your ears. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he told. You give your ears. Ears means is what? Listen. Huh? You keep your money, wealth, gold, what thing in your pocket. But give what things to Guru? To ears. Hari Katha. Because the Hari Katha is very powerful. That is called Sabda Brahman. Transcendental vibration. This transcendental vibration, Hari Katha, enter in the ear, coming in your heart, and automatically clean all your not. All your unwanted things, maybe your body. You can clean with the, what is it called? Soap. But how clean unwanted things inside your heart? Take one. Here is showing one. Soap here. See. Your heart will be clean or not? Fala. Govinda Priya. Fala. No. Only your heart will be inside heart. Antar Hridaya will be clean. Just listen. Hari Katha. Katham Maritam. Hari Katha. Only Hari Katha can clean your heart. Only Hari Katha can save you. No one can save you. Everybody also pulling your feet, going towards the Narak. This is one. And also gossiping, what is called? Criticize to each others. Your Guru is bona fide, my Guru is bona fide, or your Guru is not bona fide. I am bona fide person, or all you have to be nonsense. Speak Hari Katha. People, they don't want to speak Hari Katha. Only Hari Katha can protect you. Krishna Katham Mritam. For this Srimati Radhika did he say? Hala. Tava Katham Mritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Viriditam Kalma Sahapaham Savana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grinanti Te Bhuridayana Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Viditam Kalma Sahapaham Savana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhurinanti Te Bhuridayana 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 Kathamritam Sapta Jivanam Kavi Vidiritam Kalma Sahapaham Savana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grinanti Te Bhuridayana. Bhuridayana. Bhuri means? How do you mean Bhuri? Fala.
Best donor. Best donor.
Best. Bhuri means best. Da means one who gives. One who gives the best donation. He is called Bhurida. What is the best donation? Krishna Katham Mritam. One who glorifies about Krishna Katha. Because only Krishna Katha can protect us. Other Katha can. Krishna Katha. All you are gathering here. Why? Why again you will come with me, Mangalarti? If you will not come in Mangalarti, I have chastisement sometimes. Why do you not come? Some of you Maharaj not good. Chastised to me. I chastise you for your benefit or my benefit? Huh? Your benefit. If you come Mangalarti, then you will get Mangal. Mangal, understand? Mangal means auspicious. Huh? Huh? Then you will, what is it called? Morning walk, chalo. If weather is good, go morning walk. Huh? While you are going. Then morning walk, chanting holy names. Then sit one place. Then listen Hari Katha. Huh? You listen Hari Katha or not? Huh? Then again coming back, take Mahaprasad. Huh? You took Mahaprasad or not? Huh? Then say, wait, come again. To Kirtan and Hari Katha. Kirtan Hari Katha. Huh? Hari Katha, Prasad. Prasad Hari Katha. Huh? Not other. Huh? Guru Vaishnava, they are to engage your mind in Krishna. And because conditioned soul, their mind is as like the tail of the dog. Dog tail. Dog tail, understand? What is that? Huh?
Never straight.
Never straight. Huh? That's indeed. But Guru and Vaishnava, they want to straight your tail. Huh? That means your mind should be engaged in Krishna Naam and Krishna Katha. Not all that thing. Hari Katha, Hari Naam. Sometimes I told you, no need to cook, I will cook for you. Just to come, listen my Hari Katha. Oh no, I am cooking, that's the excuse. That stupid nonsense, come here. Listen Hari Katha. Saying or not? I will cook for you. Listen Hari Katha. Hari Katha is why? Hari Katha only protect life. Try to understand. No one can protect you. Everybody also bring to Maya. Just you have finished Hari Katha, then you come in backside, then start to gossiping. Mobile. But Guru Vaishnava, they always engage to you. How to absorb with Krishna Naam and Krishna Katha. So, Krishna Naam, only chant Krishna Naam. Only remember to Krishna. Smartapa sadato Vishnu. Vismartabo no jatu kahijya. Only remember to Krishna and never forget Krishna. And never criticize to anyone. Vaishnava Ninda, never criticize Vaishnava. And those who criticize to Vaishnava, never associate with them. Mahaprabhu, this is the instruction of Mahaprabhu. Kaharina Ninda Pare, Krishna Krishna Pare. Ajay Chaitanya say, Jinibe. Never criticize to him. Gurudev one lecture also explained. Those who criticize to Vaishnava, what will say about his Vaishnava? Even he is not human being. Gurudev lecture, listen. One who criticizes to Vaishnava, he is not human being. He is called animals, Posu, or Sadham. So try to never criticize it. One life is just do bhajan and chant holy names, do bhajan and sadhan, and follow the four principles. This is very important also. Understand? Otherwise, if you not follow the four principles, people will criticize you or not. That is not criticize, will tell you how, what they are doing. What are they doing? If you not follow the four principles, understand? Chasing towards the other ladies and disturb with the ladies, they will be criticized or not. Then be Facebook, oh this group, how they are doing this. Huh? Huh? Jai Govinda, he told me. Huh? What did he say? Fala português.
Para Gurudeva que qualquer margem as pessoas elas vão poder criticar, então se a gente estiver aqui dentro de uma pessoa que ela está perturbando as mulheres, então automaticamente as outras pessoas vão dizer, lá na Gaudiya Mata os homens ficam correndo atrás de mulher e lá é permitido, ninguém faz nada, etc. E eu disse que estava preocupado para Gurudeva com essa situação, porque outras pessoas poderiam criticar. Né? Isso já aconteceu em outros lugares, como aconteceu no México, onde os devotos quebraram um templo de lá, né? Dos devotos. Né?
You understand? I cannot understand what did he say, but I understand. But is it true? Huh? This is true. And you have to clean your heart. Pavitra anta. Huh? Pardon? And because Krishna consciousness means how to clean our heart. This is very important. Otherwise, you will become Sahajiya, Soki, Beki, and useless. Nirmal Charitra. Nirmal Charitra means good character, pure character. Your character should be good. So, bhajan and chant. Chant holy name. This is very important. No? Nirmal Charitra. If your character is not good, if you do many things, no one faith you. So first is your good character. Your character should be good. This is very important. Mahaprabhu, heavy chastisement to Kala Krishna Das. Kala Krishna Das understand? What is the story of Kala Krishna Das? Kala. You know the Kala Krishna Das?
I don't remember properly.
When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, and that time, one Brahman boy, he travelled with him. His name is called Krishna, Kala Krishna Das. So he was carrying the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's water pot, jalpatra, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's cloth. His name was Kala Krishna. But one place, one place Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, one kinds of group, that is called gypsy groups. You know gypsy? Their groups are staying one place, and sometimes they also collect some money, then leave another place to going to the gypsy. Gypsy, understand? Their clothes, everything, 4, 5 clothes they are keeping, and then one group, one place to another place. And 5, 10 days staying one place, but 1 month staying one place, then move another place. They are called, what is it? Gypsy. They have no own house. So, actually that Sanskrit, that they are called Bhattathari. Bhattathari. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in that, in the gypsy, that means Bhattathari place, one very nice, beautiful young girl. And Kala Krishna Das completely was captivated with the gypsy young girl. Mahaprabhu's servant. Mahaprabhu's servant, what is his name? Kala Krishna. One day Mahaprabhu asked, hey, here is Kala Krishna Das. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. He knows everything. Understand? Then he told, oh, now he is in the group of the gypsy. And that gypsy, they are very ferocious also. Understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu direct went in the gypsy groups and caught Kala Krishna Das head. Hey, what is called? Choti. That time gypsy, they attacked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifest one Leela. They all gypsy are looking to each others. He is my enemy. He is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So both they were fighting to each others. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took Kala Krishna Das and brought in his place. What Portuguese? What did he say?
Deva disse que o servo de Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, que acompanhou ele no sul da Índia, se chama Kala Krishna Das. E certa vez eles estavam num lugar que tinha um grupo de ciganos. E esse Kala Krishna Das ficou muito atraído por uma jovenzinha cigana. Certo dia Mahaprabhu falou, cadê Kala Krishna Das? E aí ele foi ver, ele estava lá no meio deles. Mahaprabhu foi até eles, pegou ele pelo cabelo, pela cica, e foi tirando. Só que como os ciganos eram muito violentos, eles tentaram atacar o Senhor Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mas Mahaprabhu fez essa lila, de que um cigano olhava para o rosto do outro e via Mahaprabhu. Então eles começaram a atracar-se, e aí Mahaprabhu pegou o Kala Krishna Das e foi embora.
But later Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also reject to him. That later he also made his own sampradaya, that is called Kalachandi Sampradaya. And if you go, I think another place, they are the stupid nonsense. I am saying it because Chaitanya Charitamrita explained this way. So don't become Kala Krishna Das. Braj Raganuga Prema Bhakti. How would attain Braj Raganuga Prema Bhakti? If you listen, Krishna Braj Lila Katha. The Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati. That means one's heart completely absorbed with Krishna's sweet amorous pastime. You have to associate with him and listen that Braj Katha. So then the greed will come. Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati. Kriyatang Jodi Kutopi Labbhate. Kriyatang means you have to buy. Kharid karo. How much price? What my price? Lobha. Lobh rupi mulla. Lobh means greed. Just pay your greed. Listen Hari Katha. Braj Lila Katha. And so the Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati Kriyatang Jati Kutopi Labbhate Tatrapi Laula Mullang Janmakati Sukrana Labbhate. Without greed, you cannot attain also highest perfection. So this greed will come. When you listen Krishna Katha, then greed will come. If you listen Vatsala Ras Katha, how Mother Jasoda, she bind to Krishna with small rope. When you listen this Katha, Dambandhan Lila Katha, then your greed will come. Oh, I have to serve Krishna under guidance of Mother Jasoda. If you listen Krishna's Sakharas Katha, how Krishna played with his friend Suvarsudam, then your greed will come. I have to serve to Krishna under guidance of Suvarsudam. Greed will come. Ittang satang brahma sukhanubhuttam dasangatanang paradaivatena maya sritanang naradarakena sadhang bijaho krita punna punja. Shukdev Goswami Pad told him, Maharaj Parikshit, Ittang satang brahma sukhanubhuttam. Those are impartialists, sadhu, satang. Ittang satang brahma sukhanubhuttam. Generally people, they know sadhu means those who are impartialists. Impartial, if you go India, most of the people they know those sadhu means those who are impartialists. Actually, they don't know who is impartialist or who is sadhu. They don't. Because most of the impartialist people, externally they are very renunciation. No cloth, naga sadhu. Naga sadhu. Eh? Eh? People are thinking they are sadhu. Ittang satang brahma sukhanubhattam. Impartialist sadhu. Advaitavadi sadhu. They want to merge in Brahma. Eh? Understand? One day I talk about, what is it called? Huh? हाँ बदन तत्व विदस्तत्व जज गणमाद्यम ब्रह्मेति परमात्म भगवन्ति सप्तति हैं अद्वैतवाद दिस इज देयर फिलोसफी एक ब्रह्म द्वितीय नास्ति अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इम्पार्शलिस्ट हैं दे आर chanting this mantra and eko aham and so aham means I am that Brahma so aham and aham brahmasmi I am Brahma actual jiva will never become Brahma so impartialist they want to become Brahma. I mean, they want to merge in Brahma. So here in this verse, Sukadeva Goswami Pad tells, saying how they are foolish. They want to merge in Brahma. And they are thinking Brahma Sukh, the happiness of Brahma is topmost. Ittang satang Brahma Sukhanubhattam. Dasang gatanang paradaivatena. Those are devotees of Dasaras. They are thinking Lord Bhagavan is called Supreme. And they paying their obeisances lotus feet of Krishna. Those are devotees of Dasaras. Thinking he is Bhagavan. Opulence mood. Vaisarja bhava. Dasang gatanang paradaivatana. Maya sitanang naradharukenu. Those who are completely elucidated by Maya. They are thinking Krishna is an ordinary cowherd boy. We are herding the cows. But in this verse, Dasang gatanang paradaivatana Maya sitanang naradharukenu. Shardham biju kritapunna punja. Subal Sridham. Madhubangal. Tuka Krishna. Lavanga. How they are great fortune. They never think Krishna is Bhagavan also. They are only think Krishna is our family member. Lokik Sadvanvat. They embraced to Krishna and climbed on the shoulder of Krishna. They are feeding to Krishna with their own remnants. Half portion eating and half portion feeding to Krishna. Sometimes Subal Sridham, they also quarreled with Krishna. Hey Krishna, you are not higher than us. Your father has only 9 lakhs cows. 900,000 cows. Or my father, Sridham says, my father Vishwabhanu Maharaj has 11 lakhs cows, 1100,000 cows. So you are not higher than us. Look how they are quarreling. Sometimes they go, okay, we are equal. Sakha sakka bhave kare skandha arohan tumi kono bada lok ami tumi sama. Sometimes they also compromise. Okay, we are equal. This types of lila is going on there. Sakka bhav. Those who are devotees of Dasa, they cannot consider these types of lila. Hanuman, if you will go in Braj, Hanuman can't stay in Braj. How Brajavasis, they also twist the ears of Krishna and slapping. Hanuman cannot tolerate because he is Dasavas. You don't think, oh, he is Bhagavan. Who can twist the ears of Krishna? Bhagavan. So Hanuman, he will not come in Braj. If he will come, then do pranam and run away. Eh? Duryodhan, Dusasan, they completely elucidated by Maya. Krishna came in Hastinapur. Eh? He is the messenger of Pandavas. That's compromise. Eh? To stop the war. Eh? Kurukshetra Yudha, war, stop the war. And Krishna told Duryodhan, Dusasan, just give 5 villages to the Pandavas. Eh? There is no need to war. Because Pandavas, they are also your brother. Krishna told Duryodhan, Dusasan, listen, you can take all Hastinapur and everything. Eh? Even also Indraprastha. Indraprastha built by Arjun, Pandavas. And Krishna told, you can take Indraprastha, Khandaprastha, what is it called? Hastinapur, everything. Just, you can just offer to them, how many villages? 5. Panchagaon. Pancha means 5. Gaon means village. Then Pandavas will be happy, no need to war. But Duryodhan, what did he say? Bina juddhe nahi divo suchagra medini. I will not give one, what is it called? One piece of land, which is that coming in the tip of the needle. Without war. Juddhang dehi, juddhang dehi. But stupid nonsense, Duryodhan, Dusasan, they don't know what is the result of the war of Kurukshetra. But Krishna very humble. Oh. Just you give to them 5 villages. Then Pandavas, they will be happy. Then everything will be stopped. And when Krishna told this, then Duryodhan, Dusasan become very angry with Krishna and try to arrest to Krishna. Krishna के बंदी बनाने लगे विचार किया. Duryodhan, Dusasan, they try to arrest to Krishna. At that time, Krishna what did he? Manifested his universal form, Virat Swarup. And so much effulgence coming from the body of Krishna. Duryodhan, Dusasan cannot see Krishna's opulent form, Vaishya form. But Bhishma, Pitamaha, Dronacharya and others, they saw Krishna's opulent form. So I am saying, those who are non-devotee, Duryodhan, Dusasan, they cannot see to Krishna's beautiful form. They will think Krishna is an ordinary cowherd boy. So saying, our Subal Siddham, how they have love and affection with Krishna. So saying, Ittang Satang Brahma Sukhan Vuttan Dassang Gatanang Paradaivatena Maya Sitanang Naradar Keno Sardang Bijahu Kritapunna Punja. Kritapunna Punja. What kinds of they are? Great fortune or Punna Karma. That is using the direct meaning is a pious activity. Actually, this is not the meaning of pious activity. Punna. According to the Punna pious activity, Subal Siddham, they met with Krishna. No. But in this part, Kritapunna Punja, what kinds of their love and affection with Krishna? Subal Siddham, always they are playing with Krishna, embracing, kissing. Sometimes they also use many harsh words to each other. This is and I am saying, if you listen this katha, Sakkaras katha, Vatsalya's katha, then greed will come or not? Greed will come. If you listen, Madhurjaras katha, sweetness mood, Madhurjaras katha, then greed will come. How gopis they control to Krishna with their sweetness mood. Understand? This sweetness mood again divided in two. One is called Sambandhatmika, another is called Kamatmika. All you are learning, Pandit. Good. This is the result of sadhu sangha phal. Many people they don't know. What do you know? What kinds of? Sambandhatmika, another is called Kama. Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Sridham, Raktapatra. Their bhakti is called also Sambandha Atmika. Understand? Sambandha means knowledge of relationship. According to their knowledge of relationship, they serve to Krishna. First Sambandha can, then habitual mood can. Mother Jasoda, she serves to Krishna. Why? Because Krishna is my son. Sambandha. Then habitual mood can. Jiv Goswami Pad explains this. Sambandhatmika bhakti, first Sambandha, then habitual mood. The Sambandha, that is called primary. Or servicial mode, that is called secondary. Or another Sambandha, another is called Kamatmika. Kam means transcendental lust, not material lust. Understand? Kamatmika. And Kamatmika bhakti again also divided into, that is called Tat Tat Bhavichamai, or another is called Sambhog Ichcham. Rupa Manjari, Ruti Manjari, their mood is called Tat Tat Bhavichamai. And Lalita, Visakha, Ashtasakis, that is called Sambhog Ichcham. Sambhog Ichchami means sometimes Lalita, Visakha independently meet with Krishna. Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, Lalita, Visakha. But the Manjaris, they never independently met with Krishna. Their mood always one pointed with Srimati Radhika. They never independently meet with Krishna. For this regard, Tattat Bhavicchati. This. Because if you only listen this katha, then automatically greed will come. I will want to become Manjari. Who wants to become Manjari? Raise your hand. Some people think even not. Raise two hands, not one hand. This is good or not? Gurudev told, just you listen. Gurudev told, now I know many kinds of anarthas in your heart. Lust, anger, enviousness, everything. But still these types of desire will come. Then Krishna will arrange everything. Greed will come. Understand? When you get the best things, automatically is your lower thing will be given up. If I give you good, understand? One hand good, about the malasid. Or another hand I am giving to Rasagullah. What do you want? Achha, this is for. Who will take good? Raise one hand. No one to raise it. Who will take Rasagullah? Everybody wants to raise it. This is. So that means when you will get the highest thing, automatically you will give up the lowest thing. This is all. So, conditional soul, they have many kinds of material desires. But doing bhajan and sadhan, when your greed will come, then automatically you will give up the bad things. So what thing? Gauranga bolite habe pulaka sorira Hari Hari bolite nai aneva benira Har kabe nitai chande koruna hoibe Sansara vasana moro কবে তুচ্ছ হবে বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে মন কবে আমায় রাব শ্রী বৃন্দাবন। হ্যাঁ, নরোত্তম দাস ঠাকুর সঙ্গীত। When that day will come, I will give up all my sansar vasana, desire to enjoy the material sense gratification. Condition, this is a symptom of conditional soul. Conditional soul means many kinds of desire to enjoy the sense gratification. This is true. So not only, and are kabe nitai chander koruna hoibe. When will I receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu? Understand? Wait for the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Then when we receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then slowly all your unwanted things, lust, anger, investment will be removed from your heart. Then we receive the mercy of Rup and Raghunath. Rup Raghunath Pade হইবে আকুতি কবে হাম বুঝবসে when it completely absorbs the philosophy of Rup and Raghunath. First come in the place of Raghunath Das Goswami. Then you receive the first come Rupa Goswami. Then come in the place of Raghunath Das Goswami. Then you understand this? That means is that Rupa Goswami Pad, he collect all kind of ingredients of melons. Rupa Goswami Pad giving all kinds of ingredients of melons. Vibhav, Anubhav, Sattvik, Vyabhichari, Alamban, Uddipan, everything is explained. All ingredients. And how many ingredients will come? Then you realize. Rasa. Pala? 49. 49. Good. Nice answer. You are getting sadhu sangha. 49 types of ingredients. When you will get 49 types of ingredients, then you can realize the highest prayer. Bhakti rasa. Bhakti rasa will come. So Rupa Goswami Pad, he gave us all kinds of ingredients. Then you will come to Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami saying what thing? How to proper way to make very nice, beautiful, what is called? Juice. That means if you want to make very nice, beautiful juice, what is called? Soup. Then you want you to mix with proportion or recipe. Recipe. Water, giving to water, sugar, milk, or what is called? Mango? Mango soup. Giving everything. And ingredients, what is called? Black pepper, camphor, and also little bit salt, everything giving to. But if you don't know how to mix the all ingredients according to the proportion, then you cannot properly make the juice. So that means what I'm saying, Rupa Goswami Pad, he gave all the ingredients of Bhakti Ras, giving to us. But how to make the Bhakti Ras? You come to Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami, he explained how to proportion of all the ingredients mixed. How much water you put, how much and sugar you put, how much camphor you keep, how much salt you will give, how much sugar, everything. This is need is what? And proportion. And if you cook anything, Some idea you have not? This sabji, how much? You put the salt. Not every what is called sabji you put the same salt. And if you cook the what is called neem, you know neem? Need more salt or not? Huh? If you cook the neem patta, no sir. Neem leaf. Make what sabji? Neem begun. Neem begun is there?
Eggplant.
Huh? Eggplant sabji with neem. So how much you put the salt? Huh? And how many leaves of neem you will put there? You have an idea or not? If you have no idea, you cannot prepare that sabji. Huh? Understand? Otherwise you are very tricky. Gurudev, take more neem. Take the many neem leaves. Are you stupid? How much will be? Maybe 1, 2, 3 neem leaves can eat. Not all. The grass. Huh? I am saying because if you want to prepare very nice beautiful juice, then have to come in the knowledge of proportion. And this thing is also described by Srila Raghunath Das. So for the Rup Raghunath Pade Rahu Moras Prarthana Kare Sada Narottam Das Bhirman Rupa Goswami Pad and Raghunath Das. Without taking shelter, lotus feet up, Rupa Goswami or Raghunath Das Goswami, any method, you cannot taste the very nice juice. That means Bhakti Ras. Yeah, Ras means not mango juice. Not the other juice, lemon juice. What juice do you want? Bhakti Ras. Bhakti juice. Bhakti Rasa. Bhakti seed.
Shake.
Bhakti? Shake.
Mango shake.
Mango shake. No. Need bhakti. And Vijita. So in this way do bhajan sadhan. Then greed will come. Only greed will come with the assistance of sadhu and listen Hari Katha. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal Ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Now do Arati and take Mahaprasad. Again Hari Katha and again Mahaprasad. Good or not? Oh, he wants one bag, no? What is it? Japamala bag. I forgot. Bolo. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Bolu. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Bolu. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Bolu. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Giridhari Sam Banowari. Mero Radha Giridhari, Giridhari Sam Banowari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Sam Banowari, Giridhari Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Sam Banowari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Sam Banowari. Radhe Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai Jai Shri राधे जय कृष्ण जय राधे जय कृष्ण Jasavati Nandana. With that tune, that very nice, beautiful tune. Jasavati Nandana, Brajavarana Garo, Gokula Ranjana Kano. You know this tune?
I heard.
Yeah.
So
So
I
not-
sing, everybody repeat differently, then I get lost.
Everybody they don't do. You sing, then you do. There's something. That tune is very nice. Jasavati Nandana, Brajavarana Garo, Gokula Ranjana Kano. You see? Mana Vidhano. That is the perfect midday. Very nice. Good, Samati.
Okay. Arati didn't take prasadam. Huh? Nice prasadam. I don't know who cooked.
Quem cozinhou hoje? Quem cozinhou meio-dia pro almoço? Mohini ki jai.
Which one? Which one?
Ajay. Ajay. Ajay.
You are sitting here.
Ajay. Ajay. Hello.
You have when you do arati, left hand this way and this way.
Deixa eu.
They are no or age you do arati.
Canta. Yashomati Nandana, Brajabaranagara. Yashomati Nandana, Brajabaranagara. Yashomati Nandana, Brajabaranagara. Gokula Ranjana Kana.